AI in Manufacturing, the Future of Industry 4.0. Welcome to AI Futurist, where we explore the endless possibilities of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into the world of manufacturing and how AI is changing the game. AI is revolutionizing the manufacturing industry by making it smarter and more efficient. Through the use of machine learning and predictive analytics, AI is able to optimize production processes, reduce waste, and increase productivity. With AI, manufacturers can now monitor their machines in real time and make necessary adjustments to ensure that production runs smoothly. AI also allows for predictive maintenance, where machines can identify potential issues before they become major problems, reducing downtime and improving overall efficiency. AI-powered quality control systems can detect defects and anomalies in products with a level of accuracy that is not possible with traditional methods, ensuring that only high-quality products make it to the market. AI is also transforming the way workers interact with machines. With the help of augmented reality and wearable devices, workers can receive real-time instructions and data, improving their productivity and reducing errors. The integration of AI into manufacturing is creating a more connected and flexible system, known as Industry 4.0. Through the use of digital twins, manufacturers can simulate and optimize production processes in a virtual environment, reducing the need for physical prototypes and speeding up the development process. AI-powered automation is also reducing the need for human intervention in the manufacturing process, allowing workers to focus on higher-level tasks that require creativity and problem-solving skills. The future of manufacturing is here, and it's powered by AI. At AI Futurist, we're excited to see how AI will continue to transform the manufacturing industry in the years to come.